Hi guys, another day sitting in the car. Nanny's visiting her friend and I've got 3 wooden dinosaurs to put together. I've done so many wooden dinosaurs over the years. Well, we'll just do the one on the top, I suppose. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. I think that's how you say it. Probably wrong. My grandson would have been able to correct me. Although he's sort of grown out of this sort of thing now. These are laser cut. Yeah, not bad. Went together okay, not absolutely perfect. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.